You're over the age of 35 and something's not quite right. You're not yourself, and this has been going on for longer than you'd like. You don't recognize yourself physically and mentally. Your symptoms are not in your head. Professor Geraldine Pryor talks about 9 official symptoms of perimenopause, but I'm here to tell you that across the research we're starting to see over 100 different symptoms that could potentially be related. Things like, wait for it, adrenal fatigue, allergies, painful tender breasts, burning tongue and mouth, changes in your body shape, phantom smells, burning toast, smoke, crawling sensations, dizziness, dry eyes, ears, nose, throat. You're smashed on waking no matter how much sleep you've had. You're exhausted, frequent urination, frozen shoulder, bloated, headaches, migraines, heart palpitations, inflammation, insomnia, irregular heartbeats, metabolic syndrome, which means you're stuck in a fat store as opposed to a fat burn state, weight loss resistance, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, strange muscle and joint pains, water retention, you're puffy, reflux, indigestion, bloating, burping, constipation, flatulence, heartburn, high liver enzymes, IBS, anxiety, brain fog, depression, difficulty concentrating, feeling emotional and crying, a lack of focus, lack of motivation, lack of patience, lack of self-esteem, you're aggro, you're flying off the handle, you're feeling out of control, you're moody, rage, sleep issues, social anxiety, stress that you were once able to cope with just seems to completely derail you these days. You're overwhelmed, heavy periods, irregular periods, loss of libido, major PMS, urinary incontinence, UTIs, infections, dryness, acne, brittle hair, skin, nails, eczema, psoriasis, hair loss, itching, you name it. You need to take care of yourself. It's your turn, and you're willing to make the space and the time to really invest in your health this time. You need to draw a line in the sand and make that much-needed dietary and lifestyle change without smashing yourself in the gym or being hungry. I'm a recovering food addict, so this is a diet-free zone and no deprivation here. My name is Dr. Kirsty Holland, and I've just been appointed to a global expert panel for perimenopause. I've been nominated as Wellbeing Coach of the Decade, and my program, Rescuing You from the Roller Coaster of Perimenopause, has been nominated as Program of the Year 2023-2024. I'm in my 3rd decade of clinical practice in my bricks and mortar clinic in Melbourne, Australia. I'm 47, I'm in perimenopause too, and I'm having a fantastic time of it, despite my history of obesity, autoimmune conditions, cystic acne, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, and polycystic ovarian syndrome. I'm in great health now, and you can be too. In perimenopause, there was never a time in your life where you have been more inflamed with less energy. Enter the energy crisis. We need to know what's going on in the gut. We need to investigate the hypothalamus, the pituitary, the adrenal glands. I'm here to tell you that natural, botanical, nutraceutical medicine can make this experience far more graceful. Let's repair your waistline, your immune system, your mood, your sanity, your thyroid, your adrenals, and your entire hormonal system, hair, skin, nails, energy, etc. Book your free clarity call with me today, and let's get you started. If you want individualized precision medicine and you want me to get to the bottom of your symptoms and investigate everything that needs to be investigated holistically, you're in the right place. Looking forward to meeting you in our video call. Click the link below to book your free clarity call today. Take it easy and have a beautiful day.